Hello, traders. Today is Monday, May 4th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. And we're starting off on the daily time frame. So, on the daily, we are bouncing from this 50% Fibonacci extension. Definitely could be an area of resistance. Looking at the dollar index, I still think there's a possibility the dollar index could go bullish for, possibly even a couple weeks, which means that this still could end up going bearish and end up doing something like this. Maybe it makes a higher low and just continues up because a higher time frame analysis is still very bullish. But we really do need to see some evidence. I need to see either the dollar break up with momentum, or I need to see this break down with momentum. Preferably, I would like to see the dollar break up with some nice momentum to help prove that this is going down. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we really don't even have a break of structure yet. This is the structure right here, but we have a really nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. So we'll keep an eye on it. It definitely, just because you see 5 ways, it doesn't mean that it needs to break structure. I mean, it could end up making a higher low and going up, and if it does, you definitely want to get long. If it breaks this low right here, the first thing I would do is put my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move, and then I would, be looking for shorts, obviously. But while I'm looking for shorts, I would observe whether it makes a pullback to a Fibonacci level and then breaks to the upside, or whether it makes lower lows, lower highs, and it turns into a complete trend reversal, which, like I said, definitely is possible on the daily time frame. So first thing first, keep an eye on your structure. No break of structure means no end of a trend. It definitely could make a higher low. If it does break structure, start looking for shorts. Well, hopefully you learn and earn whether it's a pullback within a uptrend or whether it's a complete trend reversal on this 1 hour time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.